Good morning, guys. Now it is Saturday here in Jabalus, Saudi Arabia at 7:18. So look at that, guys. It's now 7:18. Still looks like at 5 o'clock in the morning. See, very early. Look at that. See, still early. See, this is the camp. Our people. Good morning. Hello. Good team of housekeeping. This is our management side. Yes. So beautiful, huh? See. Another team. See. Still early. See the lights. Still no sun. Still not rise the sun. The mountain surrounding here in the camp. Wow. And another team. This is for the laundry guy. See? Good morning, sir. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. See? Okay, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.